Now we're rocking on the dance floor, acting naughty. Molly? Comment. Hello, Governor. Well, have a great time. Yep. Please see. Yup. Yup. We end up doing this because we're bored. Yup. I think I get it fine. Space good too. I look hideous in that picture. So do I. Look at me. Look at that. Gosh. Zoom in on me. There you are. Disgusting. I know. Beautiful. Let me see the camera. Face. You know what's disgusting? That thing right there. I'm not tired, I just don't know what's going on. We're having a sleepover, so if you don't hear, I'll just shut it. Sorry about the whole switch thing. Yeah. We usually end up staying up till like 4, but I don't know what's gonna happen tonight, because yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, if you haven't seen our video for if you have ideas, so just give us ideas. So yes. I'm tired. Hello. Molly, show us your new shirt. Don't you like it? It's from Urban Behavior. How much your class so Mom? Going to Florida, so new clothes. Shopping. Yeah. I got new pants too. Yeah, I do. So I come now turn around. Urban Behavior. Isn't that beautiful? Yep. And then I got awesomely awesome new shoes. They're like the sweetest shoes I've ever seen. They're the bomb. They're the yeah, so I'm sorry I had to watch it. We were kind of tired, bored, but I guess you could say it. So yeah, you guys can enjoy this. I'm tired. No, I was late, but kind of tired. Yep. Okay then.